Electronics is my passion. Great ideas deserve bringing to life and sharing with others. Let me show how we work with ideas in PoCLab. Starting from brainstorming, we review feasible technical implementations. Competitors' analysis is always useful with technical requirements to understand how must the product feel, look and function. Then I create work plan and prepare proposal, starting from enclosure sketches and keeping in mind technical product aspects. We prepare 3D product renders, research optimum components, make testing and moving further on the schematic design. Schematic convert into PCB and ordering components for manufacturing. Continuously searching for better tools, suppliers, manufacturers. We offer the best market value for electronics prototyping. Nice equipped lab, saving your costs. Early prototype now is better than a perfect one in late future. Software. It's a tool that makes common products smart. We develop software that's convenient to use. Embedded electronics firmware development requires knowledge not just in programming, but understanding circuits and electronics on physical level. You can think about the features. We will do the rest. Iterative flow, it's part of every product development process. Improving design and firmware from all aspects makes the product better. Our goal in minimizing time before the device is ready to test. PoCLab, your electronics partner, from prototype to manufacturing.